What's up, Market family? With the new year just around the corner, today I'm going to be sharing what to keep your eyes open for at Dollar Tree in 2024. Some of these items they have right now, and then some are going to be coming into their stores. Now let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to keep your eyes open for are Bed Bath & Beyond products. Bed Bath & Beyond closed in 2023, and with them closing down, Dollar Tree got a bunch of their products. So for instance, I found this Lazy Susan that is a great quality. You wouldn't find something like this in Dollar Tree for just $1.25, but you can right now because this is a product that was being sold at Bed Bath & Beyond. Lazy Susans are great for organizing inside of cabinets, whether it's in the kitchen, underneath the bathroom sink, or even a kitchen sink. It just makes it so it's easier and more accessible to find items. I will say though, this Lazy Susan is on the smaller side. I also found these drawer organizers from Bed Bath & Beyond by the same brand, Simply Essential. They have these large compartments. They would work well inside of a cabinet, inside of your kitchen drawers, inside of a desk, wherever you would like to put this. They do have a grip in the inside. They're great quality for $1.25. I ended up using this drawer organizer inside of Matt's junk drawer. That's what I call it. It's just a bunch of random stuff Matt has upstairs that he doesn't want to keep going up and down the stairs for. So it's like nails and just like measuring tapes, stamps, lots of random things. However, it looks much better with this drawer organizer versus the containers I had inside of the drawer before. It just looks much cleaner. Also found this cutlery tray from Simply Essentials. Dollar Tree does carry their own cutlery tray. However, it doesn't have the quick grip legs, which means when you stick it inside of a drawer and you open the drawer, it does slide around if there's no quick grip liner underneath it. So if you're looking for something like this, highly recommend it. If you can find this one for $1.25, and you don't have to use this for just utensils. I use this actually to organize electric cords and phone cords inside of my home. You'll also find some Bed Bath & Beyond products in the kitchen section of Dollar Tree. For instance, I found these straws, two different types. We got these silicone straws, a 6 count from the brand Farberware, and then these glass straws, a 4 count from the brand Natural Home. I like the idea of glass straws more than silicone straws. These remind me more of boba straws because of how big the inside of them are. And I do like the thought of glass straws more than paper straws. I don't know about you guys, I hate paper straws because they disintegrate in your mouth so easily. So when I go to a restaurant that has them, I'm like, no, I understand the point of them. It's just when you're drinking out of them, they just started to disintegrate. Let me know if you like paper straws. I don't know anybody who does. I also found this in the kitchen section by Natural Homes. It is this beeswax reusable wrap. It's supposed to be a healthy alternative to plastic wrap. It's washable and reusable, sustainable, natural. So you just get one large piece that you can put over glass bowls. If you maybe had a salad that's left over, you can wrap it to go around sandwiches and snacks. It says it's for fresh foods and leftovers. I've yet to try it, but I'm interested in trying it. Right at the beginning of January, every single year, Dollar Tree starts to put out their Valentine's Day items. And you can get a sneak peek of these items if you just head on over to their website, and you can even start ordering some of them in bulk. When I was at Dollar Tree, the plus section was already getting in their Valentine's Day decor. I found this throw pillow that I think is so cute. It is this heart that says hugs. They do have a red one, so I feel like this would be really cute for your Valentine's Day decor. I'm doing a sweets theme, so I bought this for the couch. If you can find this item in the Dollar Tree Plus section for Valentine's Day, know that it is a great price. It is this floral heart wreath. Now this, to DIY it, would cost more money, and if you bought it somewhere else, it's not going to cost you $5. So if I can find this already made, I'd rather just buy it at Dollar Tree and then add to it if I need to. So $5, highly recommend if you're looking for something like this. There's this table runner in the plus section for $3 that I'm so excited to DIY on top of. I think I want to make the hearts look like conversation hearts. Tier trays. With every single holiday and season, Dollar Tree is getting in different types of tier trays. They got them in for Valentine's Day right now. They had them in for Halloween and Christmas. I highly recommend these for $5. I think they are better than the $5 tier trays that you get in the Target Bullseye Playground. I highly recommend the tier trays from Dollar Tree. The Bullseye Playground at Target carries $5 tier trays as well, but they're much smaller. And to DIY tier trays using Dollar Tree products, it's going to cost you $5 at a minimum, and it's not going to be that tall for just $5. So if you can find them already made to buy, I would do that. I also found random Valentine's Day decor popping up after filming this video, like these gnomes. I really like these little gumball machine wall decor pieces. And then my favorite out of everything I found were these little trees that are new this year. They're like felt trees with little hearts. To DIY them probably costs you more money as well. I thought these were so nice and would look really nice for a Valentine's Day themed tablescape. Valentine's Day decor popping up at Dollar Tree early January makes sense because February is just around the corner. However, you're going to start seeing gardening tools coming out and spring items coming out at Dollar Tree early January. I was in the plus section and they're already getting the stuff in. This is not from last year. This plus section didn't have this until this week. There's planters, there's little planters that have flowers inside of them. It's going to come quickly. I even found a bell cloche at Dollar Tree right now to get this in early January. People actually use these for Valentine's Day gifts. They get a plate from Dollar Tree, put it on the plate, and fill the inside up with some items. Really cute and inexpensive to do. I know it's crazy, but that's something to keep your eyes open for early January 2024. Side note, I went to Dollar Tree after filming this video, and there is Easter stuff popping up at Dollar Tree right now. Insane. But those pea pillows, they're $5 and they're so cute. Keep your eyes open for home decor. Dollar Tree just got in this chalkboard sign, and I like it because it reminds me of the Anthropologie mirror, the design around the frame. You could take some rub-on gold paint and rub it into this to give it more of a distressed look. I think this is great for the price and would work really well as a centerpiece to mark your tables or even, just for your regular home decor throughout the year. I was really excited about these wooden trays with the beaded look. I have DIY'd these things from Dollar Tree so many times. To DIY them, it does cost more than just $1.25, so you can find them right now already done for you. I have never seen them this cheap before. If you're still watching this video and enjoying it, please leave the confetti emoji. When you guys leave comments like this, it really helps my channel out. Bed Bath & Beyond is not the only store Dollar Tree is starting to get products in from. They're getting stuff from Walmart, Target, and Michael's. I found these large chalkboard signs for $1.25 each. On the back, you can see they retailed at Michael's for $12. I can't believe they got stuff in from Michael's. This is a brand that Walmart carries in their crafting section called Go Create. These are magnetic letters. They carry two different ones, the mini ones and then the regular size ones. This is black and this is white. You can use these for crafting, or you can put them on the refrigerator and let your kids mess with them. Along with the Valentine's Day decor, they're bringing in Valentine's Day gifts right now. If you see it and you like it and you can get it when you see it, I recommend doing that because they sell out quickly. I found these lip glosses with pom-poms that are super cute. They just go right on your keychain. In that section, you're going to find a whole bunch of bath and shower products. For instance, I found this spa headband that you can put over your head while it's wet and you're doing your makeup. I found a detangling comb. I'm going to have to give this a try. And this actually doesn't feel as cheap as most of their combs. I also found a towel scrunchie. It says for use on wet hair. They also have some bath bombs. I really like this bubble bath bar from Be Pure. You just throw it inside of the water and then it creates a bubble bath. They also had some really pretty soaps. There's this one that has little hearts inside of it. I actually think if you unwrap it and then rewrap it with some other type of wrap, you can make this look like you made it at home or you bought it at a place that was not Dollar Tree because of how this looks. I also found this fillable bath brush. I already used it. The way it works is you put some soap inside of here and then you just rub that all over your body. It does feel good because of the bristles here. It feels like somebody's scratching you, and I love me a good back scratch. It's like a silicone type of feeling, and there's a little smiley face, which is super cute. It's the beginning of the year. You might still be having New Year's Eve parties. Right now you can find these tumblers from Dollar Tree that glow. The way they work is they come with glow sticks that you break and then insert to the lid of the tumbler. And this is super fun if you're having a party, like I said. A lot of people's New Year's resolutions in the beginning of the year are to get organized and declutter. Dollar Tree does a great job at bringing out organizational pieces in the beginning of the year that you can use if this is your resolution. For instance, right now you can find these acrylic looking containers, and I really like the way that they look. They have this copper bottom to them, and they have 3 different sizes. The medium and smaller one fit inside of the larger one, and then the smaller ones fit inside of the medium sized one. I just really think these are so pretty, and they would do a great job if you're trying to organize inside of a desk or even inside of a vanity drawer. Keep your notes and random pictures organized with these velvet bulletin boards. They have them in different colors and 2 different designs, the circle round one, and then this one that comes with 3 different strips. Both of them also come with push pins and then this little adhesive that you put on the back of this and stick that to your wall. However, I always recommend using name brand command strips when you are using anything to hang, because the stuff from Dollar Tree, it rips your paint. It's just not easy to take off. So unless you're keeping this permanently on your wall, I recommend using name brand command strips because those are much easier to take off and don't rip your paint as long as you peel them correctly. Keep your eyes open for name brand licensed games. This is all from the creator What Do You Mean, which is a very, very popular game that I have played many times at different parties. I have called the road trip game and the realized game. I really like the realized game. I also found this one recently. It is better than yesterday. So there's 365 daily challenges to live a more confident, fulfilling, and carefree life. This is great for the new year if you're looking for ways to do things every single day and just kind of stay focused and feel happier. So there's different things that it tells you to do, like buy yourself dessert today, strike up a conversation with someone you don't know, post a throwback photo of you as a kid, write down one thing you need to forgive yourself for. So it's just like fun little things that you can do throughout the year. You can do it every single day if you want to, or maybe a couple of days throughout the month. Keep your eyes open for fun activities you can use with your little ones. Right now they're going to be in winter break, and then they're going to be in spring break. Dollar Tree has so many options to keep them entertained for cheap, especially options where they can get crafty. So I found these shrink and play kits at Dollar Tree with licensed characters. So Paw Patrol, Lilo and Stitch, the Disney princesses. So they come with these pieces that you will stick in the oven and then you watch them shrink. They have these little clips that they clip into, and then they have a background that's supposed to set up the scene for when you're playing with these. Highly recommend them. They even have these stamp activity sets. This is the Minnie Mouse one. It comes with 3 stampers, an ink pad, 3 markers, and a 20-sheet activity pad. Super fun to keep your kids entertained, at least for a couple of minutes, because we all know if it's a toddler, their attention span is like 3 minutes. That is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, make sure you subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys have a wonderful year. I will see you guys next time. Take care. Bye.